These are battery powered, so on the outside we've got the infrared flash, the motion sensor, and the camera. And on the inside we've got a big bank of batteries, and then all the images get saved on this memory card. And so what we do is we take this out to the woods, turn it on, we strap it to a tree, and then we just leave it there for weeks.
And the images Dr. Roland Keyes captures with his camera traps are pretty remarkable.
The advantages of this mode is it's completely non-invasive, and you don't have to actually catch the animals. You just get whatever walks in front.
But this is about more than just capturing amazing animal images. Keyes wants to answer a basic question.
We want to look at the questions about what's the effect of hunting and hiking on wildlife communities.
The initial answer would appear that human activity has a tremendously bad effect, but nobody knows for sure. The best way to answer that question used to be in the field. Now, the best place is far away, out of sight, out of hearing, and out of scent.
And so we give the cameras to volunteers, we show them how to use it, we give them locations where we want them to run it, and we stratify those as our experiment in areas that are similar, but one is hunted and one is not hunted.
South Mountain State Park and South Mountain Game Lands in Burke County is one camera trap location used for the study. The areas are adjacent to each other with similar habitats and wildlife, except one area is hunted, one is not. Camera traps have gathered images at 10 locations so far. 5 more locations will be monitored.
And this is one of the basic tenets of science, is that the data is verifiable and checkable and repeatable. And that's one of the things we love about these camera traps, because they're easy enough for citizens to use, but collect data that are good enough for scientists to use.
The camera traps are stratified to capture the complete picture of an area. For example, on hiking trails, cameras are placed on the trail, near the trail, and far from the trail.
So we can also look to see if animals are influenced by hikers, if they're avoiding hikers, for example, if they're afraid of hikers, and maybe if there's an interaction. So areas that they're hunted, maybe they're more afraid of people, even that don't have guns, than areas that they're not hunted. So those are some of our questions that we're asking.
Camera traps provide pretty basic information. Biologists use the images to confirm what animals live in a given area. There is photographic proof along with the date and time stamp that an animal was in a specific place at a specific time and a specific date. So far, the cameras have captured behavior that everyone knew about. People understood animals did those things. You can see it in museums. But actually documenting the behavior in the environment at the time it happens, well, that is new. And getting citizen scientists involved in recording it, that's even better. Camera traps allow scientists to inexpensively monitor the changes in an area over a long period of time. That's critical to discovering the effects of pollution or development on wildlife populations or the long-term health of a habitat. Keyes and other researchers have placed roughly 250 cameras in the field to answer some of those questions. They have been placed in roughly 1,200 locations, stretching from South Carolina to Maryland. They are all run by volunteers and have captured 1.5 million photos. It will take years to analyze all of them.
One is we want to start a long-term monitoring project so that we can look at how things are changing over time and over space in a big scale. And by having volunteers run the camera traps, we can actually scale that up to a big project.
And while it's too early to draw any conclusions, one fact is already clear. Animals are smarter than you think.
We're definitely finding some animals are avoiding trails. Some animals, like for example, coyotes and foxes and bobcats that are out at night, they run the trails all the time. They're totally not afraid of the trails at night when there's no people out. During the daytime, we don't find them on the trails.